Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your OPPO Reno 15F 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in the settings. So go over and open up the settings app. Here we need to find the display and brightness. It's right here. It's the 7th option from the top. Now let's go over, click on display and brightness. And here we got the brightness slider and an option to enable auto brightness. So make sure to disable auto brightness here because we want to adjust it manually. And what are we going to do is we're going to either lower it or make it a bit higher. Of course, I'll keep it right here. And now what are we going to do is after doing two of these things, we're going to download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So we're going to go over to search. Now from the search bar here, we're going to say the screen dimmer, and then it'll be OLED saver. Now we're going to download this app right here. This is the app made by Ruhex. It has a black and white picture. Now this app is very good. It's only 1.5 megabytes and it's working like a charm. So let's open up the app, and here the first option to modify system settings so the app can control the brightness. The next one to update the overlay whenever we are rotating our screen, enabling the keyboard and stuff like this. Go to more, downloaded apps, now screen dimmer, and select the screen dimmer here. Now we want to give the full control of our device here so it can view and control screen. So whenever we flip our screen, whenever we do anything, and view and perform actions, so it can easily interact with apps, it can dim them. Now let's leave the accessibility setting and the last one to display the brightness bar in the notifications. So now we can enable the service. As you guys can see, let me quickly lower it even a little bit more. Now here, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we can change the notification settings. As you guys can see, we can add the increase and decrease buttons. We can do the pause button. We can also do the inline pause button. And we can do the settings button, of course the screenshot, and this is how it looks like right now. So we can add the plus, it is working. Now we can add a bit of a minus, it is also working. We got the screenshot, as you guys can see, it took the screenshot. Now it is also dimming the screen again. And we got the brightness settings. So here we can change the extra dim to brighter or dimmer, totally up to us. And here we got the minimum physical brightness, so which is controlled by the system and which is controlled by the app. We can see it. And of course we got the change delay and change duration. So now if you don't want to use it, you can just tap here, but make sure to adjust your brightness again. Sometimes it may be too low and sometimes it might be too high, so make sure to find that regulation about it. Now we're gonna go to the settings and swipe all the way down until we see system and update, and as a last resort, update our software. So we're clicking the first option on the top, and as you guys can see, it already says that my version is up to date. Even if I try and simply go here, it will check for updates and it will say the same thing. So make sure that you're on the latest version as well. This is very important. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.